to our channel. I'm Colleen and this is Our Blessed Life, and today I'm doing a video as part of our fall bucket list collab. I will have that linked down in the description box below, the playlist for that, so you can watch all the videos associated with that. Our channel will have several videos in that series, if you would like to join, it is an open collab. You just need to add your video to the playlist and mention my channel, Our Blessed Life, on your video or in your description box. So this video is going to be about making a fall wreath. So this is something that I've wanted to do for a while, to learn how to make a wreath. And this year I decided to do it just simply because I could not find a wreath that I really liked. And I did find some garland that I really liked. So I thought, hey, I'll give it a try. And that was one of the things on my fall bucket list. So that's what we're going to be doing today. First of all, I'm just going to tell you, I've never made a wreath before. But I got this idea primarily just because I went to Hobby Lobby and several other places, and I just couldn't find a wreath that I really liked. I wanted something kind of simple and similar to this wreath, which is what I have had on my door kind of for summer and spring. Materials that I'm going to be using I got at Hobby Lobby. So I got this wreath here and this garland, and then I have these zip ties and they're green, so I'm not sure if I can cover that up well enough, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do about that. I may need to go find something clear or something else or some wire, but I'm going to go ahead and attempt it with these and just kind of see how that goes. So this wreath will be super simple to make. All I'm going to do is wrap the garland around the wreath and then attach the garland with the zip ties and trim the end of the zip ties off. Okay, so I got the first one secured. I don't think it looks too bad. It definitely would have been better if it has brown, but I feel like I'm going to be able to secure it low enough and kind of wind this stuff around to where maybe it won't matter that much. Okay, so I've now got it secured in two places, and I'm just going to keep wrapping it around and securing it. And then, like I said, I'm going to attempt to go back over and just fill in where it needs to be filled in, probably for sure right there. Yeah, so it really has been fairly easy just to cover up that green zip tie, so I don't really think the color is going to matter that much. Alright, so this is the part where I have the overlap, so I'm just trying to figure out like how much is too much in this area. And I'm probably going to go ahead and cut this part off too. Alright, so this is what the wreath looks like now, and that's just going around one time, and I've just kind of got it better secured. So I'm probably just going to beef it up just a little bit and just call it done. I'm pretty happy with it already, but since I've got a few more pieces, I'm probably just going to try to use them. So with the separate pieces, they are a little bit harder, but I'm just kind of tucking it into the wreath itself and then zip tying them after I've done that. Okay, so that definitely bulked up that little area there. I feel like this area is pretty bulky. So I'm probably going to try to do something right in here. So the wreath is all finished. It's on the front door. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out our playlist below with all the fall videos in our collab that we're doing. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.